Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing backyard garden with patio ideas and tips to designing beautiful and functional backyard space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard garden patio is an outdoor space that is typically paved and adjoins a structure, such as a house or garden shed. It is a great place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors. With a little planning, you can create a beautiful and functional patio that will be enjoyed by all. A patio garden backyard is a backyard that includes a patio and a garden. The two spaces are often integrated together, with the patio serving as a focal point for the garden. Patio garden backyards are a great way to enjoy the outdoors and to create a beautiful and functional outdoor living space. How to style your backyard garden patio? When styling your backyard garden patio, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, consider the overall style of your home and garden. You want your patio to complement the rest of your property, but it should also have its own unique personality. Second, think about how you plan to use your patio. Will it be a place to dine, relax, or entertain? Once you know how you plan to use the space, you can start to choose furniture and accessories that will help you achieve the desired look and feel. Here are a few tips for styling your backyard garden patio. Choose furniture that is both comfortable and stylish. Consider the size of your patio and the number of people you typically have over when choosing furniture. You may also want to include a variety of seating options, such as chairs, sofas, and ottomans. Add accessories to personalize your patio space. Outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and plants are all great ways to add color, texture, and interest to your patio. Create different zones in your patio space. For example, you could have a dining area, a relaxation area, and an entertainment area. This will help to make your patio feel more inviting and organized. How to make an inexpensive backyard garden patio? Creating a beautiful and functional backyard garden patio doesn't have to be expensive. There are a few ways to save money on your project, such as: first, choose inexpensive materials for your patio surface. Concrete, pavers, and gravel are all affordable options. Second, build your own patio furniture. There are many DIY plans available online and in home improvement stores. Third, shop for second-hand patio furniture and accessories. You can often find great deals at garage sales, thrift stores, and online marketplaces. Here are a few more ideas for creating an inexpensive backyard garden patio. First, use recycled materials. For example, you could use old pallets to create a seating area or a planter box. Second, get creative with your landscaping. Instead of planting expensive flowers and shrubs, try using native plants or weeds. You can also create interesting focal points using rocks, driftwood, or other found objects. Third, don't be afraid to mix and match styles. Don't feel like you have to buy a whole set of patio furniture. You can create a unique and stylish look by mixing and matching different pieces from different stores. What color patio for a small garden? When choosing a color for a small patio, it is important to consider the overall size and style of the space. Lighter colors, such as white and beige, can help to make a small patio feel larger and more open. Darker colors, such as brown and black, can create a more intimate and cozy feel. If you have a small patio, you may also want to consider using a variety of colors to create different zones in the space. For example, you could use a light color for the dining area and a darker color for the relaxation area. This will help to make the patio feel more spacious and inviting. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 best backyard garden patio ideas to get you started. 1. Create a dining area. A patio is the perfect place to enjoy a meal with friends and family. Set up a dining table and chairs on your patio and create a space where you can gather and enjoy each other. 2. Add a fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or fireplace is a great way to add warmth and ambience to your patio. It is also a great place to gather with friends and family on cool evenings. 3. Create a relaxation area. A patio is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Set up a sofa, chairs, and ottomans on your patio and create a space where you can kick back and relax. You may also want to add a hammock or a swing to your patio for added relaxation. 4. Add a water feature. A water feature, such as a fountain or pond, can add a touch of tranquility to your patio. It is also a great way to attract birds and other wildlife to your garden. 5. Add lighting. Lighting is important for any outdoor space, but it is especially important for patios. Add string lights, lanterns, and solar lights to your patio to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Add plants. Plants are a great way to add color, texture, and interest to your patio. Choose plants that are suited to your climate and that will thrive in the amount of sunlight your patio receives. You may also want to consider planting herbs and vegetables on your patio so that you can enjoy fresh produce all summer long. 7. Add a pergola or awning. A pergola or awning can provide shade and protection from the elements. This can be especially beneficial if you live in a hot climate or if you have a small patio. 8. Add a privacy screen. If you have neighbors who are close by, you may want to add a privacy screen to your patio. This will help to create a more intimate and secluded space. 9. Add a barbecue or outdoor kitchen. A barbecue or outdoor kitchen is a great way to turn your patio into an entertainment space. This is especially ideal if you like to host parties or gatherings. 10. Add a TV or projector. If you like to watch TV or movies outdoors, you can add a TV or projector to your patio. This will allow you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies in the comfort of your own backyard. No matter what your budget or style, there is a backyard garden patio design that is perfect for you. With a little planning, you can create a beautiful and functional space that will be enjoyed by all. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more backyard garden patio ideas and inspiration. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing backyard garden with patio ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.